The water level at Angat Dam has dropped below its critical level threshold of 160 meters, meaning water supply has become even more limited. Amid the decline in supply, the National Water Resources Board or NWRB has adjusted its water supply allocation from 50 cubic meters for the month of June to 48 cubic meters for July. According to NWRB Executive Director Sevilio David Jr., it is now coordinating with the Metropolitan Waterworks and Sewerage System to manage water distribution to households despite the low supply.
Sabi nga ho natin, kung sa pagbabawas ng alokasyon, ang ina-assure po naman natin with NWSS hangga't maaari po ay hindi pa makakapekto ito sa kababayan po natin. No, particular po yung sa reliability ng water supply system. If ever po, kung magkakaroon man ng mga pagbabago po ay siguro ang nakikita po natin na posibleng magbago o epekto nitong pagbabawas ng allocation ay yung pong mga adjustment po adjustment sa pressure, yung pressure management sa mga kabahayan po natin.
The NWRB has been monitoring the decline of Angat's water level since March. The continuous drop has prompted NWRB to suspend water releases for irrigation starting May, directing its supply for households in Metro Manila, which relies on Angat Dam for majority of its water needs. However, David says it is now tapping into alternative sources to supplement the water coming from Angat Dam.
Karamihan po dito ay nasa Laguna Lake, yung mga water treatment facilities po ng mga concessionaire dito po sa Laguna Lake at meron din pong mga portable or modular water treatment facilities diyan po sa area ng Cavite, Parañaque at dito po sa may Pasay. Binigyan na po natin pahintulot ang NWSS at concessionaires to i-activate po yung mga deep wells, yung mga standby deep wells dito po sa Metro Manila.
Alongside these efforts, the NWRB is calling for stronger water conservation measures on the side of consumers.
Yung pagsasaayos ng mga leakage sa mga kabahayan po natin. Sabi nga natin, kahit patak-patak yan, malaki po ang may tutulong kung yung pong pag-recycle o pag-reuse po ng mga tubig sa kabahayan, yung mga pinaglabhan po natin or yung pinanggamitan sa pag-shower po ay pwede po natin gamitin yan sa flood flush ng mga CR po natin.
David says they will continue their close monitoring of Angat Dam's water level amid the expected El Nino. He says Angat Dam may start to recover when more rain falls in July onwards. Kapatid Fatima Baduria, VR1 News.